All right, I was going to show you how to smooth some things out. So what we're going to do first is just show you the general. If I select an object and I go to, I'm going to zoom in so you can see where some of these points are. You can see that this has a lot of points on it, same with this shoulder. So if I go, once I select the object, I can go to Object and Path and Simplify. Okay, so you can see that the preview will give me some options. Now this is problematic because notice how simply it made some of those shapes. It definitely made it nice. I'm going to zoom all the way out, maybe not that far, but I'm going to go back to that now so we can see the whole thing, because it might actually reduce the simplification too much on the object. Okay, it distorted that, which might actually work in some cases if you wanted to make it more cubist, but you can see now that I can change the angle threshold and the curve precision to maintain more of that. But you can watch some of those edges. You can say, okay, we'll watch this edge here. As I change that curve precision, it simplifies that, or the angle threshold might adjust things. And it may not reduce this so much, but it will simplify the shapes a little bit, which can make your object a little bit smoother. So that's one way of doing that. The other way that we may want to do it, and this also works if we're drawing objects, I'm going to just use my direct selection tool and select a couple of points here. So you can see it's kind of selected some of these points as well as these. And then I go under this tool. It's under the pencil tool, but it's called Smooth tool. And what I'm going to do is just kind of brush along some of those points. And you can see it kind of matches that line, and it kind of has made those smoother. So you can see that it's kind of just, it kind of guesses based on what you're trying to do. It smooths some of those out. So you can kind of see how it reduces some of those shapes. So this can be another way of like simplifying some of your drawings and just kind of making them a little bit more graphic. So that's a way of working as well to simplify your Pathfinder automatic adjustments and then kind of retouch it. So